when your day is long and the night is yours alone. When you're sure you've had enough of this life, well, hang on. Don't let yourself go, 'cause everybody cries and everybody hurts sometimes. Sometimes everything is wrong. When your day is not too long, and if you feel like letting go, when you think you have too much of this life, well, hang on. 'Cause everybody hurts. Take comfort in your friends. Everybody hurts. Don't throw your head. No, baby, don't throw your head. If you feel like you're alone, oh no, you're not alone. In this life, the days and nights are long. When you think you had too much of this life, now hang on. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody cries. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts. I said everybody cries. Sometimes you got to hold on, hold on, 'cause everybody hurts. Sometimes, you know, won't you hold on, hold on, you know. Sometimes everything is wrong. Sometimes you got to hold on.
So you're standing in the middle of the thunder and lightning. I know you're feeling like you just can't win, but you're trying. It's hard to keep on keeping on when you're being pushed around. Don't even know which way is up. You just keep spinning down, round, down. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. So hold your head up and tell yourself that there's something more, and walk out that door. Go find a new rose, don't be afraid of the thorns, 'cause we all have thorns. Just put your feet up to the edge, put your face in the wind, and when you fall back down, keep on remembering. Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day. Every heartache will fade away, just like every storm runs out of rain. Set you